Hey guys, Kimberly Thomason here with VacMD, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your filters and what types of filters you should be using for your Compact C1 Miele. All right, to start with, there are two kinds of filters. There is a HEPA filter that you can purchase. These are about $50 if you're getting the genuine kind, so be careful out there. I have a link below. This is a SFHA50. That is what will fit in your Compact C1 or your compact unit. Then with every pack of bags, two filters come with it. An air clean filter, and this is a motor filter. So I'll show you where these go as well. Or you can purchase them separately if you've run out or you seem to go through them quickly. But really, these should be replaced one with every 4 bags. This should be replaced as needed, but about once a year. There is a little indicator here, but the indicator I don't feel like it's very accurate. So at least once a year, if you have allergies, asthma, you want the HEPA filter. If you're not really bad with allergies, these are going to do fine. So to start, you have a filter that goes inside here. This is your air clean filter. I call this a skeleton because the skeleton holds your air clean filter in. Or if you wanted to use that HEPA filter that I showed you, that whole skeleton comes out very gently. You can just pop it out. You don't use this at all, and you would put your HEPA filter in. There are some notches here that match up with the notches inside. Where are those notches? They're right here along the edge. And you want to put it in the right way, right side up. It says HEPA, and you want to put it in back there and then pop it in. And you'll know that it worked because your vacuum will close properly and there'll be a nice even line there. If it's not in all the way, this won't close down all the way either. So the second filter goes right back here. This is a motor filter. This prevents dust and dirt from getting into your motor area. Now, you will have to cut this. You can see that this and this are two different sizes, but it's pretty easy. You see how it has little guides here of where to cut it? And then once you cut it, there you go. And again, these two filters, the air clean and the motor filter, should be replaced once every 4 bags, and one will come with every 4 pack of bags. You can also get packs of 8. These units take FJM bags. You can get packs of 8. You can get packs of 16 with a HEPA filter. There's so many options. Just make sure you're supporting small, but don't go to the big online retailers. Support your local store so that you know that they'll be there for you in the future. And that's how to change the Compact C1 filter. Hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions, don't forget you can text us or email us, call us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to all of our videos because they're fun, informative, and we like to have followers. So have a great day, guys.